How to use side button on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Here, scroll down and turn on the Prevent Lock to End Call feature. This feature prevents the power button from ending the current call. After that, go back and tap on Sounds and Haptics. On this page, turn on the Change with Button switch. As you can see, you can now use the volume side buttons to increase or decrease the ringtone and alerts volume. Following these steps, you can easily use side button on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.